In this video, I just want to highlight the Builderall affiliate program. As you know, there's probably millions of affiliate programs out there, but Builderall is a wonderful all-in-one digital marketing tool where that alone, there's many people out there that utilize this tool. But if you want to make some additional money and become an affiliate, you can do so. And it's very easy to do so. And glad to announce early 2020 is the shooting of this video. Builderall has a free affiliate program. When I signed up for Builderall about a year ago, you had to pay, which I honestly, to be honest, I thought it was a little bit of a bummer because I pay for the premium plan up here for Builderall, and they also in addition wanted $50 or so. I just thought, what a slap in the face for someone who is a premium member that you can't even promote their product for free. You have to pay to promote it. Well, long story short, now Builderall has a free affiliate program, and whether you want to do it or not, I'll just highlight some of the features of this program. When you log on and sign up for Builderall, this will be your back office here, and you'll have a home tab. Let's just click on it, the home tab. As we go to the home tab, depending on the plan that you picked, your back end or dashboard may or may not look like this. Because I'm a premium member, I have access to all the tools on the Builderall platform. Just real quickly, and not to get too sidetracked, but notice I have e-commerce building with Magento. You can build your own site, e-commerce site, professional email, app building, e-learning. But not to get too bogged down into that, we're talking about affiliate marketing. So let's go back to the affiliates tab here and click on it. And just showing you a live tutorial of this program. And these are nice. These videos here are very short and sweet to let you know how to make money. Just click on that. How to make money with Builderall.
Let's get to the point. You're here to make money promoting a top seller product. And I'm sure you're asking yourself, how do I make money with Builderall? Well, you earn on every Builderall plan you sell. You can sell by promoting and driving traffic to our funnels. And with the affiliate link, you get the same with the use of cookies. You can promote many different ways by buying ads on YouTube, Instagram, and so on. You can also do consulting by giving your expert advice on digital marketing and promote.
Okay, so you get it and how you can make money with Builderall. I also want to highlight when you go to the affiliate network page, and it explains in a little bit of detail. I would encourage you to watch this video. It's really kind of lengthy, but it's gives insight into ones who are already in the program and the CEO of the company, how he got started, and it's really informative. I encourage you to watch that. But to really get to the meat of their affiliate program, when you come to this affiliate page, let's see here, you go to affiliates.builderall.com. That's the affiliates page. If you're specifically wanting to know that page, then you scroll down here and it explains how it works, and also what is Builderall's leveraged affiliate program. It explains that. But if you look over here to my right on how does it work, it's interesting just to point out these key points. The first one, to join Builderall Leverage Affiliate Program, you don't need to pay any fee or purchase any product. 2, the affiliates do not earn commissions for referring other affiliates. There are a lot of programs out there that were like that. You have to earn commissions for referring someone else. Similar like pyramid schemes and things like that out there. You might want to be leery or wary of those things. The third one is commissions are only generated when one of the Builderall plans is sold to a customer. So that's good to know that you're only making commissions on the plans that you sell. And every affiliate earns recurring commissions from their direct sales. That is powerful right there, guys, because when you sell a plan, whether it's like a smaller plan, the builder plan, or the premium plan. It's based on the sales and percentage of that plan that you get paid, and it's recurring. So each month you get paid more, and the more you sell, the more you earn, right? It's fair. It makes sense to me. And number 4, this is a 2-tier commission system. Affiliates can earn commissions from Builderall plans sold by any affiliates they directly referred to the program. And 5, no affiliates can promote Builderall by making earnings or income claims. And it is acceptable to explain that Builderall has an affiliate program, but the affiliate is prohibited from stating or implying that another user or affiliate will earn a certain amount of money by using or promoting our platform. And it explains a little bit more in detail, disclosures and things like that. And then the last point here, the commission on any monthly recurring plan for the user's first month and commissions for affiliates who have not been paid at least $250,000 will be on hold for 35 days. You know, you definitely will have to work up to that, but it really is possible. And there are people out there that are making that type of money, and some making considerably less, of course, right? It just depends on your work ethic and your skill set. And the thing about the Builderall platform is that they teach you how to learn and to grow with this business, this platform, the different tools they have. You can become a master in just one product on this platform and create a business. Trust me, there's many people out there doing it. And again, many people just use the platform for its tools, its software, and don't even become affiliates. So don't get me wrong, you do not have to become an affiliate to really benefit from these tools. But make sure you get this right. Notice this point here. To join the program, you don't need to purchase a product or plan from Builderall. That is a huge change because you had to be a premium member. In addition, $50 that was kind of a sore spot with me that I had to pay as a premium member, but they've changed it, so all is good, right? Let it go, right? Builderall does not sell its business opportunity. The Builderall affiliate program is free. It is free, and affiliates do not earn commissions for referring a new affiliate. And third, commissions are only generated when a Builderall product or plan is sold to a customer. And every affiliate earns recurring commissions from their direct and second tier sales. That is good because you put all this work up front and you can continue to make money down the road. And you know, many people talk about passive income and this and that. One thing passive income is not, it's not money falling out of the sky. I think a lot of people have listened to Gary Vee's rant, if you will, on what passive income truly is. And I think we understand that, right? Because nothing's free. Mostly everything is a lot of work, you know, but it's satisfying work knowing that you can get results. And if you just kind of go through these videos here, how to scale my business, and if you look at this video briefly.
Of course, to scale your Builderall business, you must understand how the affiliate program works. It's all about sales channels. Like any big business, you scale your sales when you build more sales channels. Sales channels on Builderall means affiliates connected to your business. And Builderall has a 2-tier affiliate system, which means there are 2 levels of commissions. You earn a recurring commission for each sale done by you and the sales done by the affiliates that join Builderall through your referral. So you earn from your direct sales and the sales of the affiliates you brought to Builderall. Our top affiliates dedicated time to promote Builderall as a product, but also to bring new affiliates to Builderall, scaling their sales channels. On the right hand side of your screen, you can see an earnings calculator. And with that calculator, it's possible to estimate your recurring earnings based on how many sales you can make in 1 year. So now you have another tool to measure and scale the growth of your business by taking advantage of the affiliate program. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
Well, there it is. Just a brief video on how to scale your business and really how to promote it the correct way. And once you sign up as an affiliate, what you want to do is come over here and get you a sales funnel started. Once you click on that sales funnel, it'll load up, and it even asks you, you want to promote your own domain, which I will do, as this is new for me, signing up for the affiliate program. As I mentioned, I was a premium member using these sales funnels to generate leads. I wasn't even making money off the affiliate program. As you can see, I'm new to signing up as an affiliate. As I scroll down, and you'll see I'm starting off new, just like you guys are. So I'm not coming across like I know everything. I'm learning as I go, and as I learn new things, I'll put out new videos, and you guys can do the same. But once you click on here on the you get a sales page funnel. If you'd like, you just copy and paste that perhaps in a notebook and save that. And notice here you can put your tracking pixels, your Facebook pixels and things like that, analytics in here, and it will save that for you as well. You can track your data. You can do the home page here, and then again, there's different languages caters to there. And this is if you want to promote the free website. You can copy and paste that link as well. And you know how many people, and I'm sure you have received people just spamming links out there. And again, I'll just tell you from experience in promoting different products that does not work. You really have to work these sales funnels, these bridge pages, and offer value to people. So what I'm going to do, I'm not just going to tell you what to do. I'm going to practice what I preach. So in the days to come, I'm going to generate some sales funnels, bridge pages, and I'm going to show you how I put those on Facebook, Instagram, and offer value without even highlighting the links. And one saying that I really appreciate from one of the Builderall affiliates and that are in the program and that are doing and being very successful was you exchange value and the money will come. So for example, once you learn these different platforms on here, for example, website building, go on Facebook, create a short video, go on Facebook, post that video of how to create a simple website, how to create a simple landing page. And people will start to trust you. You'll build that trust and the money will come. It sounds cliche, it sounds oversimplified, but trust me, that's how it works. And that's how, as things go forward, that's how I will do as well. So we can share experiences together. You could like and subscribe to the channel if you'd like. And again, if you want to check out a free trial for Builderall, I'll put a link in the description. So we'll go ahead and cut the video off here. Take care, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.